section, so you're free to do a backwards flap with your right foot. Back up. You do 5 of them. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With pauses. The break is step, shuffle, hop, getting nice and low. Step, shuffle, hop, flap.